Deloraine Apex Club, in conjunction with Tasmanian Tractor Pulling Association and Australian Tractor Pulling Association, present Interstate Mini Modified Tractors. The dubbed sprint cars of tractor pulling will be showcasing their abilities at Red Hills Memorial Park alongside traditional tractors on the 6th and 7th of December. Don't forget to ride on the popular Apex train. Adult admission $10 and children under 16 free. Located on Mole Creek Road, 5 minutes from Deloraine. Proudly supported by Highland Haulage and Tasmania Farm Equipment.